she said that Trinidad and Tobago cannot support the immediate implementation of full free movement within CARICOM. She also pointed out that Trinidad will put its national interest first. She criticized the regional body for what she described as its silence on threats from Venezuela, and she signaled support for U.S. security action in the region. Now, these were very strong, very direct words, but the question we have to ask ourselves is this: is this healthy friction, or is this the beginning of regional fragmentation? Now, let us be fair, because it would be unreasonable not to see eye to eye with, at the very least, some of the pointers that she raised. Trinidad and Tobago has absorbed thousands of Venezuelan migrants over the past several years, and that has put the small twin island state into a bit of strain, strain on its healthcare system, on its education, housing, housing systems,